My passion of traveling and geography, which also led me here in Thailand. So first time I came in Thailand 7 years ago as a tourist. Then I liked it that much that I decided to stay here more. I love the people, culture, country and literally everything. So after 5 years I finally came here and chose to stay a bit longer, and soon after I found my first job. I've been teaching in various schools in Thailand, mostly in Chachoengsao province. The last school I taught at was in Chachoengsao province in Bangkokong near Chonburi. I was teaching Prathom and Matayom up to 3rd grade. So that's about my teaching experience. Beside that, my hobbies are traveling, reading books and watching movies. Uh, uh, okay, so enough about me. I would like to hear something from you. If you can tell me what is your name, please.
Alicia.
Okay, nice to meet you. Where do you live?
I live in Bangkok.
Okay, very good. So do you have some more questions for me? If you have some questions, you can ask me. If no, we can continue to our first lesson for today. So please, if I can get a pen for whiteboard. Do you have it? Can I use this? Is this red one? Okay, for today I planned to present you prepositions of time and place. Many people are confusing prepositions in, on and at. So I would like to present you the difference between those three words in practical example. First, let me tell you for preposition in. We use it for very general situations. If we don't know exact time or place. Okay, I can use also this. After, we have word on, which we use for more specific situations. But still, we don't know exact place or time. At the end, we have a word at, which we use for very specific place. If we know exactly where are we going to, or time when we are supposed to meet someone. So I can show you from few examples here. We said in, we use for general situations. On, more specific. And at, very specific. Does anyone want to give me some example? When do we use in? We can use it for centuries. What else? Years, weeks, right?
Month.
And so on. Yes, months. Okay. That's about time. What about location? Which locations we can use in? For countries, cities, and so on. Preposition on. We said we use it for more specific situations. So, let's start again with time. It would be days, weekends, and so on. when it comes to place, we can use it for streets, avenues, parks, and so on. And the very specific word at we can use for exact hours, if we know when to meet someone, exact time. Or when it comes to time, for exact address, specific location. Okay, does anyone want to give me some example? Let's make a sentence. First, let's use word in. An example? Okay, I can. In. Let's meet in, anyone? Let's say April. What about location? Let's meet in
Bangkok.
Where?
Bangkok.
Okay, good. Let's meet
Bangkok Plaza.
in Bangkok. Bangkok is a city. We said in we use with cities. Example word for on. Can I erase this?
Okay.
It's not going that easy, but okay. Example sentence for on. Does anyone want to try?
Here, teacher.
No? Okay. If no, I will give an example. So, let's meet on what? What did we say? More specific situation. It cannot be year, it cannot be month, but it can be a day or a week. So let's meet on, let's say Tuesday. Capital T, like that. For location, it cannot be country, but it can be what? It can be a street. So let's meet on, what's this street? Chok Choi Avenue, or let's say Lat Phrao Avenue, right? Lat Phrao Avenue. So we said this is in, this is on, and the last we have at. Very specific. When? Let's meet at.
Sabaydi.
Let's.
At Sabaydi Learning
Okay,
School.
when it comes to time. Time.
Let's meet.
At Sabaydi.
Let's meet
Let's meet at
at 2 o'clock.
At 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Okay.
On so, ay ano na yun. Kumbay na yun ate.
And when it comes to location, we said Sabaydi Center. So let's meet at Sabaydi Center. Okay, I hope the spelling is good. So we know exactly when are we supposed to meet and when. At Sabaydi Center at 2 o'clock. Can we make a sentence that will contain all of these three prepositions? On, in, and at. Do you want to try?
Malo.
Let's see.
It's not. Just the outside.
How would we make it? Okay, let's try from these examples. Let's meet on.
And Bangkok.
Let's use all of three.
Let's meet in Bangkok
in Bangkok
on Tuesday at at Sabaidi
in Bangkok
at Sabaidi Learning
on
School
Tuesday
at Sabaidi.
at
Teacher, you don't have any other place, only Sabaidi, Sabaidi.
In in Central Plaza.
okay. Which one? Central Plaza.
Yeah.
No? Okay, you can also do that. At Central Plaza.
At di para ato ano na ito yung
Ganun siya.
adjectives yung
Okay, that's basic when it comes to eat, on, and at. We shouldn't be confused with prepositions of position of things around us. If I say the wallet is on the table, the phone is on the wallet, it means it's on top of it. It cannot be at the table or at the wallet. But that's some other lesson. So if you want, you can give me some more examples with this. I'm sitting at the table, or the book is on the table. We can write that, but we don't have space anymore here. So, does everyone understand this lesson? Do I need to repeat something, or does anyone have some questions for me?
No,
If
teacher.
no, it's
If no, I'm glad you all understand this. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention and goodbye.